Hi, my name is Julian and today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can stake your cryptocurrencies on Swyftx, which has just been released the last couple of days, and I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide on how to actually do this. So if you want a full guide into how staking works, please let me know in the description below. Just leave me a comment and I will do a video and I'll make it as simple as possible. I'll make it as simple as possible right now. I'll tell you how staking works. Staking in a way is just staking your cryptocurrency on the network and earning rewards for staking the cryptocurrency. And how it works on Swyftx, they pay you out per day at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. As I'm aware, it compounds, so it automatically compounds onto what you're staking already, so you don't have to do anything there. So this is the cryptocurrencies that you currently can stake. They have mentioned that they will be looking into allowing you to stake other cryptocurrencies down in the future, so keep an eye on that. So these are only cryptocurrencies that you can actually stake right now to earn rewards. So you got Cardano, Solana, Polkadot, Cosmos, Kava. I can't even pronounce the rest of these. Tezos and Olaguruman. I can't even pronounce that. Sorry about that. So they have a minimum amount of $1 for staking. So there's no really any minimum amount that you can stake. So this is a little guide that talks about staking in general. If you want a link to this, I'll leave a link in the description for both of these articles here. So one thing I want to mention here is, yes, you can unstake your cryptocurrencies at any time, so there's no lockup period. A lot of staking platforms have lockup periods of like 3 months or even just 1 month. I also want to mention the risk that involved with your staking before I get to the actual video of how you actually stake your cryptocurrency. So the risk involved in staking is the fact that the coins that you can stake could be volatile, so if they go up and down, that's really the only risk when involved with staking. Alright, so first up, if you want to stake the cryptocurrency, like I mentioned, you will need the actual currency, the cryptocurrency that you're able to stake. So there is a list that I mentioned before. And then on the side here, you need to go to the tab here where it clicks staking. You just need to click on that tab. It might be different on the app, but this can be done on the app and on the desktop version. I just wanted to mention that as well. So click here. So you want to look into read over this if you wish to. You will need to have a certain balance, which is over $1. And like they mentioned here, 11 AM Eastern Standard Time that the payout will be per day. And it will be compounded. So you just click confirm once you're ready. And as you can see, it shows you overall how much you will earn. So the highest is Kava, 20% RPY, and then 12% Polkadot. So I'm going to be staking Solana, but this can be done on any currency that, as you can see here. This might be updated in the near future. There might be more added. So this is going to be your staking wallet, just to give you a heads up. And this is how much you will get paid out, how much your reward will be per day, as I'm aware. So how to stake is you just click this little button here and click that, and how much you wish to stake. So how much funds you've got here, it shows you the amount of funds. It shows you how much is remaining that can be staked, the staking cap. So we're just going to set the max amount, but you can set whatever amount you want here, and then you just click stake. And now as you can see, it tells me my reward, expected payout for tomorrow. If you also want to know what RPY means, it means rewards percentage yields, refers to staking rewards received for the cryptocurrency that is staked, expressed as an annualized percentage that takes into account the compounding frequencies of rewards. I will happily help you out. Alright, so I'll share with you also how you can unstake if you wish to unstake without any fees. It's actually completely for free to unstake your cryptocurrency, and there is no lockup period like I mentioned. So to unstake your cryptocurrency, whichever one you stake, all you do is go to here and click the unstake little button here, and then you can unstake as much as you want. Set the max. So you can max it, or you can just unstake as much as you wish, and then just click the unstake button, and then it automatically will go back into your main wallet as you have your other cryptocurrency. If you want to look at your transaction history, you can also look at this here to see what you staked and when you unstaked. So as you can see, I've unstaked and I've got the same amount back. So it cost me nothing to unstake. If you want more questions, if you have any questions, they also have an FAQ here. They can give you an idea of some basic questions that I already have answered here. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the description below. If you do want to sign up to Swyftx, I will leave a link in the description below as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.